Hi, babe. Yes, we did it. Happy first month, babe. I hope in the future we could turn months into years. I know that it isn't possible. Thank you for not leaving me, for sometimes I'm under my unwanted attitude. I may not be a perfect girl that you want to have, but I assure you that with all my imperfection, I will still love you perfectly. I promise not to ruin our relationship and be worthy for you. Thought I would write this just to tell you again and remind you how much you mean to me and how much I love you. Annoying as it is that you. I love you. Happy Mansari, babe!
At sa tingin ko'y di ko na may babalik. Bakit di ko maaming wala na ang dating damdamin? Di na ganun at hindi ko na kayang piliting muli mong angkinin. Di na ganun. Paano na lang kung biglang masabit ko sa iyo? Buti kung intindihin mo ako. Paano kaya kung ikaw ay akin nang iwasan o iwanan? Wala na ang dating tamis. At sa tingin ko'y hindi ko na ibabalik. Bakit di ko maaming wala na ang dating damdamin? Hindi na ganun at hindi ko na kayang piliting muli mong angkinin. Hindi na ganun, ibubulong na lang sa hangin ang aking nararamdaman. Nalilito na ako, paano mo ba malalaman? Bakit di ko
loving you.